Hello? There's a problem. Oh. Hello. Hello, I just woke up and I'm experiencing some difficulties. I've never had hiccups on stream before. And we were talking about them last night. I tried to put my finger close to my eye, and then I touched my eye a little bit, and as soon as my body realized that my finger was no harm to my eye, it decided that it was no longer afraid of my finger. So that didn't work. When I get hiccups, I get them really intense. And when I try to clear them up, sometimes it sounds like the world is ending when I hiccup. You might get to see something like that. Well, we're gonna try my tried and true method, which is drinking water upside down. I guess I'm gonna have to drink it from the tap. Just a moment, please. I'm gonna go and get some tap water. Backwards? Yeah, so basically, I'm gonna lean really far forward. I'm gonna put the edge farthest away from my mouth, on my bottom lip, and I'm gonna bend over and drink it that way. All right, so here we go. 7 seconds, baby, or 7 gulps. Here we. So much. Here we go. It's hiccup bye-bye time. Here we go. Exterminate the hiccup. Ready, go. Yay! They're gone. I did 9 gulps for good measure. Yay! Okay, but I did spill a little water on the ground, so just a moment. Okay. Rest in peace, hiccups. Yeah. We're gonna try it again, deadbeats. I still have the water from before, so we're gonna try it again. Hold on. Let me go ahead and grab the water. Fuck my life. We're drinking water backwards. All right, count me down, deadbeats. We're going for 9 sips and no less. Okay, wow, they got worse. Yes, they did. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Oisho. Oh, thanks, guys. I drank 10 sips, and I think we're okay. Holy smokes, I'm fine! Whoa!